Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make these PowerPoint slides. Also, thank you so much for all the support. I'm really grateful to all of you. Alright, let's get started. First, delete the current slide and insert a new blank slide. Now go to the Insert tab and insert your first image. We need to make every image the same size. Select the picture, go to the Format tab, and under crop, change the aspect ratio to 16:9. Once you're done, click outside the image. Let's place that picture here. Now add your next pictures and follow the same steps. Cropping to a 16:9 aspect ratio makes everything much easier. So I have now inserted those 4 pictures and cropped them all to 16:9. Let's zoom out now. Place your pictures in a queue like this in the order of your topics. Then increase every picture to the same size. You can match the size by comparing it to the height of the first picture. Keep the spaces between the pictures equal. Once finished, select all the pictures by holding the Control key and group them by pressing Control plus G. Now we can move every picture at once, like this. Next, go to the Insert tab, go to Shapes, and select the oval shape. Draw it like this and adjust its size. Now duplicate it by pressing Control plus D. Bring the second oval to the bottom and adjust their placement on the slide. You can see how they appear on the slide from here. Once you're satisfied with the look, fill both oval shapes with white and set the shape outline to no outline. Now select the grouped images and increase their size to match the slide. Adjust the placement by looking at this view. Let's zoom out and add our title. Go to the Insert tab, choose Text Box, and draw it like this. Type your title inside, select the text to add a font style, and increase its size. Let's rotate the text box and place it here. Now let's add our subtopic and the description for that topic. Now duplicate the slide by pressing Ctrl+D. Then go to the second slide. Let's zoom out and move this first topic off the slide. Also, bring the second image to the middle of the slide. Let's zoom back in and change the topic and the description. Now duplicate the second slide and zoom out again. Bring the third image to the middle of the slide and change its topic and description. I have created the fourth slide in the same way. Once you've created all the slides, add the morph transition to every slide. Now, let's see the slideshow. Perfect. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. Let me know your ideas in the comment section.